I'd like to share two incidences as a new believer, as a new Christian. When I joined the church, I used to be very hungry and have a lot of questions. As I was reading just the book of Matthew, I had multiple questions, and I would make a note of all these questions in a long book. And I used to think that, once the church is done on Sunday, after church, I will meet up with the pastor and I will ask him all these questions. What does this mean and how to do this or whatever? All my questions I would write down. And as I would go to church, before I could approach the pastor, in the preaching only, with the day, the Sunday word that was being shared, God Himself would answer all the questions for me. So, right on as a baby Christian, God was telling me, look, hunger for me, come to me, come with all your questions to me. So, directly, before I could even ask the questions, the pastor, God Himself, the Holy Spirit was giving me all the answers. In the preaching, I would receive, just like in the comments over here, quite a few have been writing that we thank you for this, or we've received this, or we've heard this, or we've learned this. So that's actually the Holy Spirit speaking directly to you, because you have that hunger and that desire. And again, the church that I was in, that church broke up, and then the pastor handed the church over to another pastor. So we are all, the few of us who were left, we went to this other church. And in this other church also, I would never line up. There used to be long queues that the people would stand for hours, wanting the pastor to lay hands on them and pray for them and speak into their lives and prophesy and all these things. And I would never join line. I would never go forward for these prayers. So the other youth who were along with us, who were already there in this church for a long time, they all noticed this thing, that I was a new person, I was a new believer also in the church, and I never went forward for prayers. Even this was noticed by so many of them, and they all found fault with me, that how come you are not going forward for prayers, how come you don't want prophecy, this, that, the other. And I would share my daily reading with them, like, look, this is what I read today, and this is what God has spoken to me. I would give them the questions that I had in my mind, that okay, I was going through this, or these questions popped up, and these are the answers that I've got directly from God. So I was very happy go lucky in those days. I was just so free. So I never had the need to go to the pastor. And even that, the people found fault with me, that, oh, she's too proud, or she feels she doesn't need prayer, she doesn't need anybody to lay hands on her head. And my argument was that when I know God the Father myself, when He's talking to me, I'm hearing His voice